Episode 2 of Thundermans series is titled Faulty Powers, which refers to Chloe's power where she demonstrated all the powers of her family members, which reminded me of Human Torch in Fantastic Four 2007 movie where he absorbs combined powers of his members of the team. It happens in the training session where Chloe is hit by a gamma energy ball mutating her powers. On having a health scan from virtual assistant Thunderford, both Phoebe and Max are at fault as the mutation has been caused by a combination of gamma energy ball and Phoebe's sunscreen. As a result, Chloe demonstrates the following powers: flying vertically, crashing the roof like her father, shooting laser from her eyes like her sister Nora, generating electricity from her body like her mother, and having speed like abilities like her brother Billy. In the later part of the episode, she develops powers of magneto, attracting metals to her body, and lastly, she demonstrates ability of shape-shifting, which she turns into a cupcake and a gnome before she waits for a cure from a super doctor. The episode is about Chloe wanting to hang out with friends and also without missing her training with her elder siblings. Phoebe and Max tries to train her but fails to keep safety adherence for Chloe, which Phoebe concludes they are bad guardians to their sister. The twins try to work as a team, and when it doesn't work, they make Chloe invisible permanently and they try to act individually, which also lead to major problems. They do act together when they use their telekinetic abilities to knock out every cupcake from the school students to prevent Chloe being eaten as a cupcake. Chloe's friends Butch and Jinx are really sweet to Chloe, inviting her to cupcake party, and they are really naive about Chloe having superpowers, which Chloe also managed to save herself several times from revealing her superhero identity. This episode also shows Dr. Colosso, who has actually not finished his medical graduation, thanks to correct information given by Thunderford. Everyone starts making fun of Dr. Colosso, calling him Mr. Colosso, and it hurts him for not being called doctor that he completes his remaining courses through online. The Thunderfold, a virtual assistant, is quite helpful for the Thundermans with all answers, including the medical issues of the superheroes. He also does fact checking, exposing Dr. Colossus' incomplete medical degree, and he also finds a super doctor who has cure for Chloe at the end.